Good morning, student. Myself S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Nan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to see the division of the polynomial. Now, in this division of the polynomial, to divide a polynomial by a monomial. Now, yesterday we see the division of the monomial to monomial. Now, today we are going to see the division of polynomial by monomial. Now we write down here example 5x raised to 3 minus 3x square divided by x square. Now in this dividend, highest power is 5x cube. Now we must see if we multiply this divisor by a term, we get the multiplication of this term 5x cube. See, the index of this divisor is 2 and here index is 3. If we multiply this term by x, we get x cube. Now coefficient of this divisor is 1 and coefficient of this dividend first term is 5. So if we multiply this term by 5, we get here 5x cube, means first question is 5x, product of this 5x and x square, we get the first term, that is the dividend of the dividend first term, that is the 5x cube. Then change the sign for subtraction, we get here 0. Then take this upper term as it is here in remainder minus 3x square. Then again see here the index is 2 and index is 2, so there is no problem for this index, both are having same order. Then multiply this x square by minus 3, we get minus 3x square. So the second question is minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. Then change the sign plus, so subtraction of these two equal to 0. In this way we complete the division, and question in this example is 5x minus 3 and remainder is 0. Now see the second example. तर या उदाहरणामध्ये भाग देत असताना हा जो भाजक आहे याचा घातांक आणि भाज्यामधील सर्वात मोठा घातांक असलेली टर्म 5x क्यूब, तर याला अशा एखाद्या पदाने गुणायचे की जेणेकरून गुणल्यानंतर आपल्याला 5x क्यूब मिळतील. तर x स्क्वेअरला जर x ने गुणलं तर x क्यूब होतात आणि इथे 5 ने जर गुणलं तर 5x क्यूब, म्हणजे पहिली जी टर्म आहे गुणायची म्हणजेच 5x आणि तोच आपला पहिला भागाकार असेल. 5x into x square we get here 5x cube, which is the similar of this term. Then for the subtraction we change the sign, we get here 0. तर दुसरा भाग देत असताना वरची ही दुसरी टर्म जशीच्या तशी खाली घेतली जाते रिमाइंडरच्या बाजूला मायनस 3x वर्ग. तर या ठिकाणी x वर्ग आहे, त्यामुळे x ने मल्टिप्लाय करायची गरज नाही. मग इथे आपल्याला 1 आहे, परंतु आपल्याला इथे वजा 3 पाहिजेत, म्हणून याला आपण वजा 3 ने गुणणार आणि तो त्याचा दुसरा भाग होईल. म्हणजेच या ठिकाणी मायनस 3 इंटू एक्स स्क्वेअर इज मायनस 3x स्क्वेअर, म्हणजे वजा 3x वर्ग. याच्यासारखीच ही टर्म मिळते आणि वजाबाकीसाठी आपण हे वजा चिन्ह चेंज करतो, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी 0. अशा प्रकारे याचा भागाकाराला 5x वजा 3 आणि बाकी आली 0. तर दुसरं उदाहरण बघा परत. नाव इन सेकंड एक्झाम्पल 2y क्यूब प्लस 4y स्क्वेअर प्लस 3 is divided by 2y square. Now in this example the coefficient of this y cube is same as 2y square, so the coefficient the multiplication of this coefficient is not here in essential. As see the square and here cube, so we multiply this term by y. So the first question is y into 2y square, that is the 2y cube, which is similar to this, that is the dividend first term. Then change the sign for the subtraction, we get here 0. Then put this term as it is, both terms are in the remainder 4y square plus 3. Then see y square. So we are not going to multiply this term by y, only multiply this 2 by 2, we get here 4. So the second division is 2. 2 into 2y square is 4y square, means which is the similar to this term. Then change the sign for the subtraction, we get here 0. Then put this 3 as it is. See, in this divisor 2y square, the degree of divisor is 2 and degree of the remainder is 0. Here the degree of this dividend is 3, so we divide this dividend by 2y square up to here, but at the time of remainder degree is less than this divisor, then we stop the division here. So the here degree of remainder is 0. Question is y plus 2 and remainder is 3. Remainder is 3. Then see the example third. 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8 is divided by 5m cube. Now see the terms, which terms multiply to this 5m cube, we get here 25m raised to 4. See here m cube, means we multiply this m cube by m, means first division m, then coefficient here 5, but here 25, means 5 multiplied by 5. So we take first division is 5m. If we take product of these two, we get the 25m raised to 4. Now first division put here, then multiply these two, we write down here 25m raised to 4, change the sign for subtraction, we get here 0, then put this all these three terms in the remainder, minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8. Here degree of the remainder is 3 and degree of the divisor is 3, which are the same. Then we can take again division. See here minus 15m cube, here also m cube, but here minus 15 and here only 5, so we multiply this term by minus 3, then we get minus 15, means second division is minus 3. So minus 3 into 5m cube is minus 15m cube, which is put here, then change the sign, we get here remainder is 0, then put these two terms as it is. See, in these two terms the degree is 1, but the degree of this divisor is 3, means degree of this remainder is less than divisor, then we write, then we stop the division. So the quotient is 5m minus 3 and remainder is 10m plus 8. Now see the example number 4. 6x raised to 5 minus 4x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square is divided by 2x square. Then see the first term, that is to multiply 2x square, we get 6x raised to 5. Here x square, x raised to 5, means we multiply this x square by x cube. We write down here x cube. Then 2 into 3 means 6, means we write down here 3, means 3x square, x cube. That division, first division is 3x cube, so 2x square into 3x cube we get 6x raised to 5, and change the sign, so we get here 0. Then put this 3 terms as it is in remainder, minus 4x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square. Now the degree of this remainder is 4 and degree of this divisor is 2. So we can take again second division, that see minus 4x raised to 4 and here x raised to 2, means we multiply this term by x square, then we get x raised to 4. And here minus 4, so multiply this 2 by minus 2. We get here minus 4, means we multiply this term by minus 2x raised to 2, which is the second division. Then product of these two is minus 4x raised to 4. Then change the sign, we get here 0. Then put these two terms as it is, 8x cube plus 2x square. See, the degree of this remainder is 3 and degree of divisor is 2. Then we again divide this term by this 2x square. See here x square and here x cube. So we must multiply this x square by x, and see the coefficient 8 and here 2. So multiply this 2 by 4, means we multiply this 2x square by 4x. We get 8x cube. Then change the sign, we get here subtraction again 0. Then write down the last term 2x square as it is. See, this remainder 2x square and this divisor 2x square, the degree of both are having same, so we can divide again one time, that is the 2x square into 1, we get 2x square, that is the last division is 1. Then change the sign, we get here 0. In this way, question is 3x square minus 2x square plus 4x plus 1. The remainder is 0. In this way, we complete the division